I'm sorry. Leave me alone, damn. Oh my God. Leave me alone. You think if I go into Quick Trip with the camera right here and all will notice I have it? They're like, what? Those were Negroes! Have you ever noticed all semi-drivers are creepy? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You don't see He can see me! He can see me! My body from the old semi-driver that saw me cameraing him! He's still beside us! Yeah! Where's the guy? There he is, right beside me. He's laughing at this. That was intense. Oh my God. Why are you looking at us? Hey, why is he looking? Is he like molested? Oh, he probably is a child molester. Oh, we almost got molested. Car molested. He's gonna eye molest us. Oh, he's turning. So we just almost got jumped by a semi-driver. EMH3112. 312. Do it. So if you see this driver license, he's looking at us.